Hey folks, quick video on scheduling with parameters use it for the USB4SAP. So basically, this is the table T001W. As you can see, it has two records, and what we are going to do is to schedule this using the configuration file, which can be on the local directory wherever the program executes is being scheduled from. The first set of parameters you would be familiar with. These are the server parameters, where your server is, what's the port, etc. User ID and password. This should be an actual working SAP user ID and password, right? And then these set of parameters are the application parameters. So for example, here we are going to extract T001W, which is a table. So T, and we are going to use a request response. These destination parameters, etc., we have already factored in, right? So now when I go into configuration of this, basically what I need to tell this scheduler program is where is my configuration file? So that is the location in my case. The configuration file is config file is this in this directory, and then it also wants to check where should all the execution be logged. So this is the log directory which we have, and here's the log file. So let's go ahead and trigger this for this parameter. So basically I have the program, the command prompt, which will need to be scheduled. So what I'll walk you through this. So basically, first is this scheduler.exe, which will be provided along with the USB4SAP package. This would be your config directory and the config file. And similarly, there's a log directory, which is this, and the log file, right? So let's say we are going to run the config file, and let's log it into a new text file in this directory. When we trigger this, it goes and runs and then sleeps for 3600 seconds. And if I go into my log directory, I would see that it has extracted as response the values from this table. So that's pretty much it. Just these four parameters which need to be set up and passed. What's my configuration directory and path, and the log directory and path, and then it goes and triggers it automatically. All right, I hope you find this useful.